Hello, my name is Amber Ellis, and I did language development with children with autism. Autism is a spectrum disorder. Autism is a neurological disorder that there are different levels of autism. Autism affects the communication and other areas of development. Early signs of autism can be eye contact and shared references, imitated behaviors involving actions and sounds, attention-seeking behaviors initiated by gestures or pointing or sounds, pre-word turn taking using noises or gestures, responsiveness to own name, social smiling, and pretend and functional play instead of repetitive play patterns. Generally, the children don't really want to make eye contact. They don't want to be touched a lot. Can be some key signs. Intervention. Screening is done twice before the child turns to the age of 2. The first screening should be done about 18 months, and they like to screen again at 24 months. The earlier the screening intervention happens, the more improved outcomes for most children with autism have. Recent statistics are that autism happens in 1 in 150 births. Lately, it's been increasing from 10% up to 17% every year. Boys are 5 times more likely to have autism than the girls are, and there's no association towards their racial or ethnic social group factors. Some red flags would be no babbling or pointing or gestures by the age of 12 months, no single words by the age of 18 months, no 2-word spontaneous phrases by the age of 24 months, and loss of language or social skills at any age. Techniques for enhancing language development. We need to, as teachers, adapt the curriculum and find ways of interacting with the children and helping the children interact with each other. Support their language development and social interactions, giving them the means of what we can do to help them succeed in being able to interact with their peers, and then providing verbal scaffold and behavioral scaffolding. Helping them express their needs, offering them one-on-one time. It helps them learn their communication skills. Using basic sign language can be an easier way to get them to be able to express their language and what their needs are that they're wanting to tell us without when they have no verbal language skills yet. And then use repetitive words. So if they're trying to speak, use, how do I put that? When they're pointing at something, say, "Oh, so you're wanting to play with this. You're wanting this," and so that helps them learn what that object is, so that they can learn their language skills. And that is it on helping children with autism developing their language.